Welcome to the IVA Hustle channel. Today we're talking about building a strong online presence for your freelancing business. With more and more people turning to the internet to find services and products, it's more important than ever to have a strong online presence as a freelancer. The first step to building a strong online presence is to create a professional website. Your website should showcase your work, highlight your skills, and provide potential clients with information about your services. Make sure your website is easy to navigate and has a clean, modern design. Next, establish a strong social media presence. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn are great ways to connect with potential clients and showcase your work. Use these platforms to share updates on your projects, offer insights on your industry, and engage with your audience. Another important aspect of building a strong online presence is to consistently create and share valuable content. This can include blog posts, videos, and infographics that provide valuable information to your audience. Not only will this help establish you as an expert in your field, but it will also help drive traffic to your website and social media profiles. Lastly, make sure to optimize your online presence for search engines. Use relevant keywords and phrases in your website and social media content to improve your search engine rankings and make it easier for potential clients to find you. A strong online presence is essential for freelancers looking to grow their business and attract new clients. By creating a professional website, establishing a strong social media presence, consistently creating and sharing valuable content, and optimizing your online presence for search engines, you can increase your visibility and reach a wider audience. Well, that wraps up another week. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on building a successful freelancing business. If you are ready to start your freelance business, unleash your entrepreneurial spirit and take control of your financial future with IVA Hustle's How to Turn Your Expertise into a Profitable Side Hustle. This book is the ultimate guide for anyone looking to turn their passion and expertise into a thriving side business. Don't wait any longer, grab your copy of IVA Hustle's How to Turn Your Expertise into a Profitable Side Hustle on Amazon now and start your journey towards financial independence today. You'll find the links for anything we've mentioned in the description below. Thanks for watching.